In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post photos on Google My Business. Uploading photos is a simple way to make your business listing more attractive and informative, and it only takes a couple of minutes once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own computer. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business, just like your customers would when they look you up. Press enter, and you should see your business appear on the results page, usually on the right-hand side or at the top, along with a panel that shows your business details. If you're signed in with the Google account that manages your business, you'll see a set of editing options directly linked to your business listing. Look for the option labeled Photos. It's usually among other tools like Edit Profile, Read Reviews, or Messages. Go ahead and click on Photos. When you click Photos, a pop-up window will appear. This is your main area for managing the images on your business profile. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a button that says Add Photos. Click that, and you'll notice the pop-up refresh to show upload options. Next, you'll see a button that lets you select images and videos from your computer. Click on that, and your computer's file browser will open. Now, navigate to the folder where you've saved the photos you want to upload. These might be pictures of your storefront, your products, your team, or your interior space. Select the photo or multiple photos you want to post. You can usually select more than one at a time by holding down the appropriate key on your keyboard while clicking. Once you've made your selection, press enter or click the open button in the file browser. Your chosen photos will start uploading to Google My Business. You'll see a progress indicator while the upload is happening. Make sure you wait until the upload is completely finished before closing the pop-up or navigating away from the page. And that's it. After the upload is done, all you need to do is wait for the new photos to appear publicly on your business profile. Google may take a short time to process them, but once that's complete, your images will be live and visible to anyone who searches for your business.